Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Food Review. We're going to try out the footlong nachos. It's Doritos. It's only Subway. And what it is right here. Doritos footlong nachos. Pretty big one too. You got chicken, steak, or other, but let's open it and see how good that is. If I can. Yeah. I don't think I've ever had a footlong. Yeah, like this. If I could get it open all the way. I'm almost there, but there we go. This is what it looks like here. And then it looks like here. It might be a good time to let's see how good this is. This is a footlong nachos from Subway. You can order steak or chicken. Well, let's see how good this is. And then we'll one more and then we'll give you a score. Finally found the cheese too, so we'll just have this and then we'll give you the score. Okay, here's Here's where I got a problem with if I do chili on these, it'll taste good. Like a can of chili, or I can put so much stuff on there. Like, let's see, you can put chili. Yeah, that way, with Doritos, you can have chili cheese Doritos. You could also have chicken. You also have hamburger. But the way Subway had it, it's not a good thing. So the way I do it, you put a can of chili across it with a shredded cheese, or you can have it with nacho cheese dip. Put it on top of it. It'll work out better. But with these, it's not a good thing. So I won't get this again. Well, I mean, you know, it's $5. It's not a bad deal for it. But it's just not good how it was set up like that. It's better to do it your own versus what Subway had it. The nacho cheese dip would be a lot better with it. You could put chili, and then you put shredded cheese on top of it. Even with the jalapenos on it, it'll still be good. But when it's all said and done, I rather have it I rather make it than I would do with this. And that is it for this food review. Or I'm gonna get the I'm gonna turn that the other way. The score I'm gonna do with the footlong nachos. I'm gonna give this one a 4.7 out of 10. Because what it'll do is it'll make it better if you do it at home with your can of chili. You could do anything at home over these. Other than that is it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel called Brad's Foodie, and thanks a lot for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. So, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like, comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. It certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for, and do all that good stuff that I sent you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye.